Welcome to our video on entrepreneurship and making money online. In today's digital age, the opportunities for starting a business and generating income online are vast and diverse. Step 1. Understanding the online business landscape. The online business landscape offers various models such as e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and content creation, each with its unique potential for entrepreneurial success. Step 2. Essential strategies for success. Key strategies for success include thorough market research, effective branding, and the acquisition of a loyal customer base, all of which are essential for building a thriving online business. Step 3. Monetizing through YouTube. YouTube presents a significant opportunity for monetization through ad revenue, sponsored content, and product sales, making it a viable platform for entrepreneurs to generate income online. In conclusion, the digital space offers a wealth of opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs to build successful online businesses and generate income. We encourage you to explore the diverse options available and embark on your entrepreneurial journey.